In this video, we are going to be looking at how to develop fundraising platform, charity, donation. The example of this kind of script is crowdfunding. As we have seen from the name, crowdfunding or fundraising. So it can be used for fundraising or charity donations. Now let's look at how the script is going to look like after developing it. Now, after developing the script, we are going to have it like this. Kindly use our affiliate link in the description to buy your script. After purchasing your script, go straight to your cPanel. For my cPanel, I go to my file manager. For my file manager, I go to my subdomain I will be using for this testing purposes. I've already uploaded my script to edit. So next I'm going to extract it. Extract files. So next I'm going to close it. Now this is the extracted file. Let me open it. I will select all the content in it, then move them to the root folder. Move files. So next I click on back. Now let me copy my subdomain. Open a new tab. Paste it there. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Enter. Okay, this is what we have. No problem. We are going back to our cPanel. Then we are going to create our database first. Manage my databases. So now let's name my database as crowdfunding funding DB. Let me name like this. I click on create database. Database successfully created. So I click on go back. After creating my database, next I'm going to create my user. Let me scroll down to create my user. Okay, you can hit it whatever you like. Okay. I click on create user. User created successfully. After I create my database and my user successfully, next I'm going to add my user to my database. So let me scroll down. Okay, add user to database. So I will select the one I just created, crowdfunding. Then I click on add. Next I'm going to give up privileges to the user. Scroll down, make changes. Success. Now I'm going back to my cPanel. I will go back to my databases. Then for my database, this, I go to PHP my admin. So next, I come to the database I created. Now I'm going to import. I want to import my demo database. I click on choose file. Then next, okay, list funding database. Okay, this. I click on open. Now I scroll down to import. I click on import. Imported successfully. Import has been successfully finished. So now, after importing my database successfully, I go back to my file manager. That's my subdomain. Now to my .env, I'm going to edit my .env. Edit. Now I'm going to edit my database parts here. Let me come back here and copy my database name. Okay. Database. DB database, that's my database name. Let's say like this. Username. I can remove this user. Password. So now I'm going to click on save changes. Success. Now let me go back to my site. I refresh. I have successfully installed my script. Please kindly like and share and subscribe to my channel. If this video is helpful, use the buy me a coffee link in the description to buy me a coffee. Don't forget to use the hire me link in the description to hire me to help me install your script. Thank you.